We have decided to implement a RAG model using DSPY and Unsloth. Unsloth provides a fast language model function and DSPY helps creating in the pipeline. As you can see on the screen, this is the source code and the class that defines the chatbot. This is the Unsloth training and this is PyNGRock. PyNGRock creates an encrypted tunnel on the internet for an Flask API to create a portal that is secured instead of an unsecured version. So, as you can see, this is our clone of the official Department of Justice website, and in that clone, we have added an HTML and CSS code and a JavaScript script that acts as the front end for the model we just created. As you can see, I paste the link we just got from the ngrok code over here, and I open this code on live server to host and to show you how it looks as an outcome. This is how it looks, and as you can see, this is the normal Department of Justice website, and on the bottom right corner, there's this chatbot. Clicking it opens this type block where we can type our queries, and with a 3 to 4 second latency, it provides an answer from our model. As you can see, once I press send, it will take 3 to 4 seconds, and after 3 to 4 seconds, it generates this response. And this response is gets stored in the local storage, and when I close the chatbot and reopen it, this is still stored over there. Currently, the stage, the parsing of the response is still pending, but the response is contextually correct and accurate.